Hey guys, Dr. Wong here with Next Level Physiotherapy. Today I'm going to be talking about the best sleeping positions for your neck pain. When a patient comes into the clinic and tells me they have neck pain, the first thing I ask them is how are they sleeping and what position are they sleeping in. Now I understand everybody has a favorite sleeping position. However, if you have neck pain, the best position to sleep in is in a neutral neck position. No matter what position you sleep in, you want to make sure that your head is parallel to the floor. So if you're a back sleeper, you don't want your neck to tip backwards or upwards. And for those side sleepers, you don't want your head to be tipped downward or upwards. If you're a stomach sleeper, I would highly advise you to get out of that position because that will cause your neck to be rotated for a few hours at a time and add extra stress that your neck doesn't really need. Now I know what you're thinking. I toss and turn all night and I can't stay in one position. Look, I get it. I don't even stay in one position all night. So if you follow the tips that we're going to talk about, hopefully you're able to sleep longer without tossing and turning as much. The first position that we're going to talk about is side sleeping. When it comes to side sleeping, there's two key factors that you want to pay attention to. It's the head position and the upward arm position. The first pillow we're going to demonstrate with is a low pillow. As you can see here, the pillow is too soft for Ryan's head. As his head is tipped downward towards the bed, when this happens, the bottom part of his neck is compressed and the top is overstretched. On the flip side, if you have a pillow that's too fluffy for your neck, you have the opposite problem. Your neck will be tipped upwards to the ceiling. When that happens, the top of your neck will be compressed and the bottom of your neck is overstretched. You'll want a pillow that keeps your head in a neutral position so the neck muscles can be supported. Bonus tip number one, another part of your body that you want to keep neutral is your hips, so I suggest you put pillows between your knees and ankles to prevent the top leg from falling over and rotating your low back. Bonus tip number two, you want to put a pillow to hug with your top arm so your top arm doesn't roll over and start pulling on the top part of your neck. Now let's talk about back sleeping. Just like side sleeping, you want a pillow to keep your neck in a neutral position. A lot of people that come see us for neck pain tell us that they need to watch TV to fall asleep. So what they do is they use two pillows or a fluffy pillow to prop their head up to watch TV. The problem is they often fall asleep in this position. The first pillow we're going to demonstrate with is a low pillow. As you can see here, this pillow is too soft for Ryan's head. His head is tipped downwards towards the bed. So when this happens, the back part of his neck is compressed and the front part of his neck is overstretched. On the flip side, if you have a pillow that's too fluffy for your neck, you have the opposite problem. Your neck will be tipped upwards to the ceiling, and then when that happens, the front of the neck gets compressed and the back of your neck gets overstretched. You can see from the elevated neck position that the back side is overstretched and the top is compressed. A better way to watch TV in bed without straining your neck is to use an incline wedge. This allows you to maintain a neutral neck position while enjoying your show. On top of that, if you end up falling asleep in this position, you're already set up for success. If you want to get one of these wedges yourself, the link is in the description below. For those of you who don't need to watch TV to fall asleep, I suggest getting a pillow that keeps your neck in a neutral position. You'll want a pillow that's at least a medium firmness, so over the course of a night, the pillow doesn't flatten and cause your head to tip back. If that happens, the neck muscles under your chin will get overstretched and the back of your neck will get compressed. You'll also want to make sure that you don't put your pillow under your shoulder blades, as that can create uneven pressure on your neck as well. So make sure the end of the pillow is right above your shoulders so gravity can do its job and let the shoulder relax into the bed. A bonus tip I have for you is to put pillows or a wedge under your legs to take stress off your low back. In this position, Ryan is comfortable with his neck and low back in a neutral position. If you're interested in this wedge, the link is in the description below. The third position that we're going to talk about is stomach sleeping. In my opinion, this is the worst position that you can sleep in if you have neck pain. So unless you have a massage table to sleep in where your neck is in a neutral position, you're going to have to rotate your neck to one side for long periods of time. Sleeping on your stomach breaks the neutral neck position rule, plus it's harder to breathe when you're face down versus other positions. Another reason why you should avoid sleeping on your stomach is because your neck could be tipped up or down as well. When this happens, you're adding two more angles of pressure on the neck. Some of you viewers are shaking your head right now thinking, crap, I've been sleeping on my stomach for years and I don't know if I can change that. I know how you feel because I used to be a stomach sleeper myself with neck issues. So I'm going to teach you a way to get out of stomach sleeping called a quarter turn position. You'll still need a pillow that keeps your neck in a neutral position. In addition to the neutral neck, you'll need several pillows to support your body from getting onto your stomach. When done properly, your spine is neutral from your neck to your low back. You might still end up on your stomach when you wake up, However, if we can give you a few hours of relief in this position every day, your neck will thank you for it. Now that you know how to sleep better to get rid of neck pain, let me know which of these positions work best for you. Also, if you found these videos helpful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. As always, move better, age stronger, and I'll see you next time.